I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Figma versus Canva. Understanding the core differences between these two popular design tools is crucial for making an informed decision. We'll explore their primary functions, target audiences, and what makes each unique. This comparison aims to guide you in selecting the perfect platform for your specific design projects, whether you're a professional designer or a content creator. Let's dive into the details. Figma shines in professional UI/UX design, offering robust vector editing and advanced prototyping capabilities. It's the go-to for creating intricate design systems and interactive user interfaces. Canva, on the other hand, excels in quick content creation, providing thousands of templates for social media, presentations, and marketing. Its drag-and-drop interface makes it incredibly accessible for anyone needing visually appealing graphics without extensive design experience. Regarding the learning curve, Figma presents a steeper challenge due to its comprehensive feature set, catering to experienced designers. Canva, however, boasts an incredibly intuitive interface, allowing users to produce designs almost instantly, even with zero prior experience. For pricing, Figma offers a free starter plan and paid options beginning at around $12 per editor monthly. Canva provides a generous free tier, and a pro plan typically costing about $13 per month or $120 annually. Collaboration is a strong suit for both. Figma's real-time co-editing allows multiple designers to work simultaneously on a single file, fostering seamless teamwork. Canva also supports team collaboration, enabling easy sharing and editing among members. Figma integrates deeply with developer workflows and boasts a vast plugin ecosystem. Canva offers direct integrations with social media platforms and printing services, streamlining content distribution and production.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.